everyone, Amber here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 9 of my 12 Days of Craftmas series here on YouTube. We are so close to the end of the series. After this video there will only be 3 more and I'm super excited to share those projects with you guys. They are so fun and so cute. But for today we are going to be making a tag flip. So it's been a while since I've made a tag flip and I'm super excited to be making one for the holiday season. So this video is going to be more of a process video. I'm just going to film me crafting it and then I'll speed the video up. Otherwise, I think it would be a really long video because I'm going to be decorating the tags as well as these little goodie bags that I have. So I'm just going to start off the video by showing you guys the kind of setup that I'm going for, and then I'll get into crafting. So over here I have some little gold glitter paper reinforcers, which I'm going to use to kind of decorate up the pages more once I punch the holes. Here are the tags that I'm using. I'm using the paper pad Snow and Cocoa by Crate Paper. I think it's so cute and I found it at Tuesday Morning a few months back and I absolutely thought it was adorable. I did find a few more supplies that went with that collection, but not enough to solely rely on those supplies to make a whole entire Happy Mail piece. So I am going to be using some bits and pieces here and there from other collections as well as just for my stash. So I'm only going to be decorating the fronts of the tags. I actually, once I glued the paper together, I went to my mom and I asked her if she could add some stitching to the tags for me, just because I don't have a sewing machine, I don't know how to work one, and she was nice enough to do that for me. So on all of the tags I added some little zigzag stitching and I just think that it looks so fun and so cute, and it just adds a little bit of extra character and decoration to each little tag. But on the back I feel like it just it wouldn't look right with decoration because of the stitching. So I'm just going to decorate the front of each tag. And then over here I also have some little goodie bags. So I don't want to add any goodies to the tags themselves, just so that way if the recipient wants to take the tags off of the tag flip and reuse them, then there's no issue with that. So I just made these little tag bags to put some goodies in. So I just took a 3x4 clear bag, added the goodies in there, and then I just cut a square piece of paper and then trimmed the corners to make that tag shape. So that's what it looks like on the back. Pretty simple but super cute. And I'm just going to add a bag behind each tag. So this little goodie bag has some little cut aparts from the paper. This little bag has some bows. These are actually from the Dollar Tree, and they had them last year and they have them this year again. And they have like a little silver bell kind of thing in the middle, but I didn't like it, so I just cut that off, and now they're pretty simple, and then the recipient of this mail can kind of decorate them up and use them however they want. Here are some little rosettes that I made, and I just added a gold glitter star to each one. And then I think these are my favorite. They are some little flares that I made using a 1-inch circle punch as well as some 1-inch epoxy stickers. And they are adorable, and I love this little snowman here. So I included some snowmen, reindeer, and then just some little pink snowflakes. And I think that's a fun little goodie to give to your pal. And then I also have this little shaker that I made. So I just wanted to send some sequins to my pen pal, but I didn't want to put them in a little bottle that I'd have to put in a different little container. So I just took this little 2x3 bag, put a little cut apart in there, and added a little mixture of some sequins. And then I just zipped that closed and then added a gold glitter tab so that way they can open the bag, dump the sequins out, and reuse them. So yeah guys, that is how the tag is kind of going to be planned out. I have off to the side all of my supplies, so I'm going to start crafting, and I will see you guys again at the end of the video for a flip through. Alright, so here is the final project. I think that it turned out super cute, and I'm excited to do a little flip through with you guys so that you can maybe see everything a bit up closer. So yeah, alright, so here On the ring itself, I just added all different types of pom-pom trim. I think that this makes the tag flip look extra fun, and then it also gives a little sample of the trim to your pen pal so that they can reuse it in their projects. So I got white, red, and then the larger pink pom-pom trim, as well as some gold and white twine. So this is the little cover page here. So I just added a cut apart, layered up some snowflakes, just added embellishments all over, and I really like this red bow on the cover here. And then after that, we have the little shaker pocket that has the sequins in there. And then after that, we have the little flare goodie bag, and I just love how this little bag looks. I think it's so cute, and it might just be my favorite. Even though it's super simple, I think it's really, really cute. And here is this little page. So I really struggled with this one. I don't know if it was the brown polka dot paper, but I just had a hard time decorating it. So I'm not totally happy with how this came out, but I think that it's cute enough and it matches everything. So here on the bottom, I used a jumbo gold paper clip and attached 3 little jingle bells to it. So it's pretty noisy. Hopefully my camera picks that up. But super cute, super festive. And after that, we have this little cut apart goodie bag. I just added a little bright green Christmas tree paper clip to that. And then here I added a little ornament tag. This was from Target last year. And then behind that, I just put this little giant foam snowflake. And then this little page I think is one of my favorites as well. I really like the simple stuff, but then I also like how the over embellished stuff looks as well. So I thought that this one was really cute, and I used these little wood pieces from the Snow and Cocoa collection here, and then added a sticker here to bring out the red of this little bird that says it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Then we have another goodie bag after that, which is the little bows, and I just put some chipboard stickers that were from a totally random collection that I got from Tuesday Morning, and it just says Snow Fun. And then behind that, I wanted to include some of these Merry Christmas chalkboard stickers, so I just added a gold glitter paper tab to that, and then those are just kind of free floating in there. I really like this page. I think it's so cute. I wish that I had actually, instead of hot gluing this down, just put a little glue dot or some little tape back there so they can pull it off and use it as an ornament, but still cute nonetheless. And here I just clipped a little red bow clip back there, which they can take off and reuse. And behind that, we have the little rosette goodie bag. And this is a little clip that is from Target this year. And it says do not open until December 25th. Obviously they can open it before then, but I just wanted to share that clip in case they wanted to reuse it in their present wrapping or one of their projects. And this is the final page, which was another one that I struggled with, but I think it came out cute, and I like this little centerpiece that says have yourself a merry little Christmas. So that is the entire tag flip. Super chunky but super fun. I think that chunky Happy Mail is always fun, and noisy Happy Mail is as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning into day 9 of my 12 Days of Craftmas series. Be sure to join me in my next video for day 10, where we are going to make some little hot cocoa little gift mugs that you can give out to your friends, family, or coworkers. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, and if you are new to my channel and you like this video, feel free to subscribe. Also, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those down below and I will do my best to get back to you. Alright you guys, see you in my next video. Take care and happy crafting. Bye!